of this paper before I lay 'em.
Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
If you had one shot,
but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em.
Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night.
one opportunity.
Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man when I say I'm
No, mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why.
He sees everything you ever wanted in one moment.
I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think.
Feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy.
Did you capture it? Just let it slip.
Doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans, it's gassed up.
Sit pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright.
Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy.
Everything's just stopping me, I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt on time.
It's funny, I remember back one year when daddy had no money.
Arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti.
Dear Slim, I wrote you, but you still ain't calling.
Without a doubt, undoubtedly, and all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony.
Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and
Spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready.
still ain't calling. I left my cell, my pager, and my home phone at the bottom.
No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why, how can he? From Infinite down to the last relapse album.
Said some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the